Hi friends, it's Miss Amy again. I'm here and today we're going to read a book that's all about math. The title of this book is called How Many? Does anyone know what this is called here? That's a question mark. So the title is asking us a question, how many? That means it's asking us an amount of something. So how many scoops of ice cream do you think are on this ice cream cone? Let's find out. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 scoops of ice cream. That's a lot of ice cream you might want to share with a friend. The author of this book is Judy Nancy. So let's take a look inside. When looking at this book, we're going to be talking about counting, measuring, classification, and problem solving. Our first page says, can you count the things you see? So anything around you. What do you think these two kids are counting in this picture? I think they're counting the petals on the flower. Those are a lot of petals. Kittens in a basket, apples in a tree. I can tell by looking at this page there's 4 kittens in this basket. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can tell by looking at this that there's 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. Can anybody guess how many there is all together if you add 4 and 3, what you can get? Let's write the math problem out. Four kittens plus 3 apples. What do you think it would be? If we have 4 kittens, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 apples, 1, 2, 3, we have to count them all together. So we know we have 4, 5, 6, 7. Our answer is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. So there's 7 total items on the pages. 4 kittens and 3 apples. Very cool. Let's see what's next. Ooh, how many bears? I can see a math problem on this page really quick. You might see that there's 3 bears right away, or you could see there's 2 on this page and 1 on this page. So your math problem would be 2 plus 1 equals 3. Let's write that math problem out. 2 plus 1 equals 3. That's what that math problem would look like. 2, a plus sign, because you're adding on 1 more, equals 3. 3 bears. Let's see what's next. How many wheels? Ooh, that's a tricky one. Can you guys see the wheels on the wagon? I know there's 2 on one side and 2 on the other side. So 2 plus 2 would equal, what do you guys think? 2 plus 2 makes 4. 2 more gives you 1, 2, 3, 4. How many kites? That's an easy one. I only see 1 kite in the sky. How many seals? I see 1 on one page and 1 on the other. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 seals. At the bottom of the book, you can see all the numerals. This is how you show the number when you write it. But you can show numbers all different ways. Like Miss Amy showed you on here, where I did tally marks. This is the number 4, but this is the tally for 4. Winter, spring, summer, fall. How many seasons are there in all? You friends know how many seasons there are. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. I see 3 seasons on this page and 1 season on that page. What would 3 and 1 more make? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seasons altogether. How many penguins? Ooh, this is a tricky one. My eye goes first to these 2 penguins. I see 2 penguins right here. And then I see 2 more. I remember 2 plus 2 makes 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, I was right. This is 4 penguins. How many more do we need to add on? 2. You're right. There's still 2 more here. So if I remember 4 is here, and I add on 2 more, that's 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 more equals 6. There's 6 penguins. Some friends can even count by twos and go 2, 4, 6. How many ducks? Ooh, I see lots of ducks in this picture. Let's count and see. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I see 1 more over there. If there's 6 up front and 1 in the back, 6 plus 1 more would give us 7. 7 ducks in the pond. How many bubbles? Ooh, that's a tricky one. I'm going to start by looking at the big bubbles to help me remember when I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5 big bubbles. Now I'm going to count the little bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my math problem must be 5 plus 4. 5 big bubbles and 4 small bubbles. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 gives you 9. There's 9 bubbles. How many trucks? How many trucks do you see there, friends? I see 1 truck and 2 friends sharing. That's good. Sometimes if you only have 1 toy, you have to share. Take turns with each other. Ooh, balloons. How many balloons? Let's start by looking at all the red balloons. How many red balloons do you see? 2. I see 2. Okay, how many orange balloons do you see? I see 2 orange. Do we remember what 2 plus 2 is? 2 plus 2 is 4. So 2 red plus 2 orange is 4. Now we still have some other ones left. So we have 4 here, then we add 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 is 7, just like in our math problem earlier. 4 plus 3 is 7. She has 7 balloons. So sometimes you can use special tricks like grouping numbers together, seeing that 2 of them are red and 2 of them are orange, and grouping them so you don't have to count each and every single one of the balloons. How many fish do you see? I see 4 right here, and I know 4 plus 1 more gives us 5. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fish swimming in the ocean. How many candles to make a wish? Ooh, that's a lot of candles on the cake. That might be one we want to count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoever's birthday cake this is, they must be turning 8 years old. If you look at half, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's because 4 plus 4 equals 8. Let's look at the last page. Come along and count with me. Can you count the things you see? How many bears? 1 bear, 2 penguins, 3 apples, 4 balloons, 5 fish, 6 scoops of ice cream, 7 ducks, 8 candles, and 9 bubbles. So here are some questions for you guys. Look around and count the things you see around your house. You could count the amount of fruits or vegetables or cars or anything you see. How many stars you see in the sky at night? How many cars you see drive past in the window? And where do you see numbers? Like, do you see them on a clock? Do you see them on your microwave? Different places in your house you might find numbers. And what do you think the highest number you can count to is? Try at home with your family to count as high as you can. And if you can think of any other stories that have numbers in their titles, like 10 Rubber Duckies, or there's lots of different books with numbers in it. So You'll have to check out your book collection and see. I will see you guys next time, probably tomorrow. So have a great night, and I love you, and I miss you, and stay healthy.